And the session has been, yeah, the recording has been started. I'm audible to all. Everything is fine. You can plug earphones. You can plug earphones. Okay. You can plug earphones because see, no need to shout in the session by the teacher because it will create a messy kind of in the head. So voice must be clear and just audible. It's enough. Okay. Pleasant lecture must go on. Then only you people will understand all the things. I think that everything is fine. Some students are remaining. Everyone must participate. So before starting the session, how are you all students? Okay, great. Just send emojis. Yes, like this. Okay, or can raise the hand. Not raise the hand. Just send emojis or send text. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. Fine. Vidya, fine. Everyone, fine. Okay. Sojanya, fine. Great. Naveen, okay. Shashikala, okay. Okay. Naveen, okay. Okay. So let's start the session now. Some students are still remaining to vote. Shanta, fine, sir. Okay. I'm not going to wait. I'm going to end the poll. I have ended the poll. Just 10 few seconds. Just you have to click. I'm audible. Note 30 students are there. 10 students, 6 students are just remaining to participate. Please participate if you want. Otherwise, just be easy, relax. It's for you only. It's for you people only. Okay. I've launched the poll. 5920. So I'm ending the poll. Okay. So you can see is that for one, it's not maybe he or she have joined afterwards, maybe network issue, but everyone is fine. 23, I'm audible. 24, I'm video clear. 23, I am yes. So 96 says yes, 100% yes, video clear, 100% slides. I mean 96% slides. So for one, it is 4%. It's a problem. Maybe your problem, technical issues, but don't worry. You will be provided the lectures, okay? Notes also with time. So let me stop sharing this thing. Result. Okay. Now, students, today's session is basically very kind of easy session, simple session, beautiful session. Okay. So let me join my pen tab. Okay. I'm joining it. It's connected now. Sound has come. Tin. Now put this thing down. Students, so today's session is basically based on capacitor numerical session. That is, we will discuss three numericals. The previous I've given you as a homework two numericals. Someone has texted, what's the problem? See, students, you have to mute all. I can't go back and see. I did this option for you only. So if anybody is having doubt, Shanta, please mute yourself. Okay. Homework problem. I will discuss one problem which was based on basically series capacitor problem. That is when capacitors are arranged in series. And then we will discuss about one homework problem was given on parallel parallel combination of capacitors. Okay, that we will discuss. Series homework problem, parallel combination capacitor problem. Then we are just going to solve one ITG mains numerical. This is all about the session today. Simple session. Focus properly. Next session we will start. I told you fresh chapter current electricity. At the end of this session, I will show you some of the things of current electricity mean. Okay, but the fresh starting will be tomorrow with complete cool animation and all stuffs. Okay, so everyone must attend because it will be good for you. Fresh chapter, easy chapter. Starting is easy. If the start is easy, the first impression, last impression. Okay. So ITG mains question based on this. what do we say, that series combination, because if you get one you can solve other parallels. Okay, so this is about the session today, easy session. So let's start solving it. Start the question, start with questions. Okay, I have given you this homework. I remember this. Whenever there was a previous session, it was on Saturday. Yes. So I have given you this as a problem which was based on basically series combination of capacitors. It was a not a big problem, but not less than that. It was a fine problem for beginners. Okay, combination of capacitors. Listen one thing. Today I'm going to solve this numerical session with these three questions plus somewhat, if we are left with time, I will show you somewhat about current electricity. But tomorrow we will start the fresh topic as I told you. But each day, like three sessions are all remaining in the week, I will give you the plan after before the next session. Each day we are going to first we will start with fresh topic of 1 hour of current electricity. Then at some minutes, say 20 minutes, we will always do capacitor numericals in each session because that will not disconnect you with, do not break, will that will not break your link with capacitor topic. Okay, that's important. Otherwise, you will not revise. Okay, so with the numerical, we will have the revision. Yeah, Pooja. Good evening, Pooja. How are you? I'm fine. Okay, I already told the answer. I'm fine. No issues. So that's good, Pooja. Now we'll start the session. Everyone must focus here. Okay. Swati. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Okay. Now focus here. Good evening is evening is good only now. We have started the session. So chill, be happy, and now in a happy mood, just see this numerical, how to solve it. First of all, let me ask, everyone has attended the question or not? If no, if you haven't attended, no issues. If you have attended, then it's okay. Just text me yes or no, or raise your hand. Those who have attended, raise your hand, raise your hand, raise your hand. Two participants raised the hand. So Janya, Shanta, Devi. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I get to know some of the students. Shanta raised. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay. See, I remember this thing. I have given you all the far. Swati raised the hand. That's good. In the previous session, I have given you this as a homework, and I've told you this thing that, I know that before going ending the session, we found out a sequent of this circuit. So can anybody text me those who remember that was the sequent of the circuit? Can anybody text me those who remember that was the sequent of the circuit? Text me in the text box, please. What was the sequent of the circuit? All must text. Those who know must text. Okay. Sojanya Singh 1 microfarad, Naveen Singh 1, Biswajit Singh 1, Swagita Singh 1 microfarad, Shanta says 1, Vidya says 1. So all you students, appreciate you. Good. The answer is 1 microfarad. Okay. 1 microfarad. Some more. Vidya 1, Sridevi 1, Sudarni 1. Okay, that's good. Same to you also. Appreciate. It's appreciable thing. So how for all the students I'm doing it first again. Okay. The circuit is this. Okay. The circuit is this. That is 2 microfarad, 3 microfarad, 6 microfarad, and voltage is given as 30 volts. Voltage is given as 30 volts. Okay. Okay. So what you're gonna do is that I told you equivalent circuit finding is like this, replacing this with a one capacitor having some kind of C equivalence capacitance, and the battery potential as same as of the potential difference as of same of the battery, that is 30 volts. Okay, this was the methodology, and we found out that if capacitors are in series, and we founded one thing that if capacitors are in series, then sequence is founded as such, that is 1 upon C1, 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. So if you will find it, it will come out to be like this, that is, okay, if you take the LCM of this, it will come out to be like this, that is, okay, it will come out to be 1 upon 1 microfarad at the bottom, and this will be 1 C equivalent. If you will simplify this thing, it will come out to be like this, that is C equivalent is equals to 1 microfarad. So all those students who were having 1 microfarad as the answer, that's great. Okay. Now we go to C equivalent. Okay, sir, we go to C equivalent, but that was not asked in the question. In the question, what is asked? The question it is asked, find the charge flow through the battery. Find the charge flow through the battery. Okay, so now I'm going to solve the charge flow through the battery. But first of all, just text me for all those students who have found already the charge flow through the battery. Just text me the answer. What according to you is the answer that charge flows through the battery of this circuit? What according to you is the answer that the charge flows through the battery of the circuit? This is 1 microfarad. Shanta says 30. Chojana says 30 microcoulomb with unit. That's great. You must always put the unit. It's good for knowledge, but it's numerical. You can put 30. Swagita saying 30 microcoulomb. That's great. Swagita with perfect sign. That's good. Okay. And so these three students have said the right answer. Okay. Let's see how it matches with mine solution. Naveen says this. Yeah, Naveen, your answer is perfect. No issue. So let us solve it. Okay, students. See, I have deduced that circuit into equivalent circuit, which was basically equal to like this. That is capacitor. Here was battery. Okay, and this was having C equivalent as 1 microfarad. Okay, students. This was having C equivalent as 1 microfarad. Some students have texted. Pooja, your answer is right. No issue. Okay, 30 microfarad is the answer. But we'll see for all those students who just have not answered or they were not able to figure it out. Okay. So potential difference is given as plus minus 30 volts. Now students, the concept is this. Since it is a battery, okay, so there is a potential difference. So there will be current flowing through the circuit. Or you can say that there will be a charge flow through the circuit since this battery is doing some work. Due to the potential difference, due to which charge will flow through the circuit, say Q charge is flowing through the circuit. Same is the plus minus Q here will get generated. Q. Okay, sir. Now what gonna happen is that concept is this, that the charge flowing charge flowing through the battery charge flowing through the battery is basically equal to the charge on capacitor plate. Okay, because there is no other element in this circuit. Okay, so this will be the concept here. Yeah, Vidya, you're right. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that if I'm able to find this Q charge on the capacitor plate, I got my answer. That is, in the question, it is asked basically not the Q charge on the plate, it is asked Q charge on the battery. But we know that according to the concept, the Q charge which flows through the battery via the battery also passes through the capacitor's plate. So same will be the charge on the battery, and same will be the charge will flow through the battery, and same will be the charge on the capacitor plate. Okay. So we'll write the same answer. We'll find the Q from capacitor plate, and that will be the answer of our question. That is charge flowing through the battery. So I'm writing this thing. So I'm writing this thing. This will come out to be like this. That is okay. Someone has texted. There is no equal potential here. It is already charged and just the battery has been installed here. Okay, no equal potential. Equal potential is when two capacitors are, that's a different thing. We are not seeing this thing here. Okay, battery is fixed, 30 potential difference is maintained already. Okay, so we know that for capacitor plate Q is equals to CV. Okay, sir. C is known as 1 microfarad. Okay, and potential difference is said as 30 volts. Okay, so when we will find the charge, it will come out to be 30 microcoulomb. So for a simple question, this will be the charge flowing through the battery also. Okay. So this is the answer of our first question. For all those students who answered this, They are correct. Perfect. Okay, no issues, no problem. They're going, they are, they are, perceiving the things correctly. They're in the right way. So first answer is basically comes out to be 30 microcoulomb. So vote for those, all those students who have texted 30 microcoulomb, they are perfect. And all those who haven't texted but know that the answer is 30 microcoulomb, they have passively solved it in the session or maybe after the before the session. Sorry. So congratulations. It's appreciable for them also. Okay? Appreciate them also. Your answer must be perfect, but if you participate, it will motivate you 100%. Participation will increase your level from here to here. Okay, it increases. If teacher is asking you, then it's good to participate. But no issue. I am open to all. No issues. It's your own personal. Okay, but I want you to solve the problems because my ultimate goal is to have you clear the tests. I mean JEE and NEET. Okay, with good rank and marks, so that you can get a good college of your dreams. Okay. So whatever the thing, the second point is this, that is potential energy in 3 microfarad capacitor. Potential energy in 3 microfarad capacitor. So how are we going to find the potential energy in 3 microfarad capacitor? So let me draw the circuit again. Suppose this is 2 microfarad. This is given as 3 micro. See, today's session is simple. Okay, it's numerical. But just watch, simply sitting and watch. Okay, whenever I'll say to participate, participate. And if you have done homework, it's okay. Just match. If you haven't done, just do with me in the session. So after the session, no need of revision because it's already cleared. 2, 3, 6, and 30. Okay. 6 microfarad, and this is 30 volts. Okay, students. So now the thing is that they are asking here. The question is being asked as find the energy stored in this capacitor. Potential energy means energy stored, and we know the most basic formula of energy stored as half CV square. Swagita, I've already said the first one is Swagita today. She told the answer. I will check your answer, Swagita. Okay, just wait, just hold on. This is half CV. You we will match. I'll match with mine answer. So one half CV square. Okay, 3 microfarad. This is energy stored. Now let us solve it. The energy stored half into capacitance is given as 3 microfarad. Okay. So Janya also said 150 means okay. I told the numerical value, but let me solve. So Janya, Swagita displayed the answers. Vidya also said, we'll see. Vidya's answer is not same as Swagita and Sojanya. Let's see. Everyone will match. Okay, now it's same. Vidya's answer is also same. Let's see. Now it is V square. Okay, sir, we know capacitance. This is half. What is potential difference across this? What will be the potential difference across this? How will find it, student? So let us see. Since we know that students that charge flowing through the battery is basically 30 microcoulomb. Okay. So this 30 will travel here also, here also, here also, here also, here also. So we'll travel through this capacitor also. So we'll treat here charge to be 30. If we get to see the charge, we got that charge is 30. Right here 30 microcoulomb. Capacitance is given as 3 microfarad for this. Potential difference we will get from here. So from here, what's the potential difference will come out to be 10 volt because micro will get cancel out. 10 volt will be the potential difference. So I'm going to put 10 here directly. So the answer will come out to be like this: half into 3 microfarad. Micro means 10 minus 6. Basically, I'm not going to write this. Potential difference 10 ka square. V is equals to 10, so 10 ka square 100. So this will come out to be 50, 150 microjoules is the perfect answer. Okay. So 150 microjoules is the perfect answer. Okay, students. So let me see the chat box. All those students who got this answer, that is 150 microjoules. Swagita answer perfect. Good, Swagita. Sujanya good. Vidya good. Okay. So all these three students, it's good. And all for all those students who have solved in the session, for them also it's good. Okay. So text me yes or no. Is it clear? This part is also clear. First part, second part is clear to all because it's easy. Is it clear, students? Text me yes or no. Text me yes or no for all the students. Is it clear to you, students? Sojanya, yes. Good, Sojanya. All the students, okay. All the students, where are all the students? Swati and all students, where they are. Sodharni, yes, sir. Okay, that's cool. Sunil, where are you? Okay, you must also participate. Sodharni, clear, sir. Sridevi, clear. Yes, good. Pooja, P, clear. Okay. So everyone is cleared. Okay. So that's good. Okay, students, if you are cleared, first we solve the charge through the circuit. Okay, so one student is most texting. Appreciate this thing. Who is this person? Shanta. Okay, good. So first we solve the charge through the circuit. It is equals to basically the capacitor charge was equals to the charge flowing through the battery. Okay, sir. Second, we solve the energy stored in this 3 microfarad capacitor. That we also could. Now, what was the third part? So the third part of this numerical is basically students this. That is this one. Tishum. Okay, this is mu total in capacitors. Mu total in capacitors. So how are you going to find the total mu? To mu means total energy of this capacitors. Okay, I'm going to give you a hint. Then you have to solve this in the session now only. Okay, now only. Okay, you have to solve this in the session now only. So I'm going to give you a hint here. See, what you have to do is that I've already deduced an equivalent circuit for this. That is basically equals to this 1 microfarad. Okay, having potential difference that of the battery plus minus. Okay, having potential difference that of the battery, that is plus minus, that is 30 volts. Capacitance is given, C equivalent. Now you have to find from here energy stored in this capacitor. Okay, and that will be equals to the total energy of that circuit, which was basically like this 2 3 6 with 30-volt battery. Okay, so solve this. It resembles this thing, and I'm going to ask you in 1 minute. Okay, I'm closing my lobby window video. I'm going to ask you, everyone must answer. If everyone is going to answer, it will be good for you. Okay, means that it can happen that the same questions can appear, I'm not saying in JEE, but concepts can appear. In the test, it can appear surely, maybe, you know. So such everyone must participate in this. So what will be the total energy? You know that how to find it because we already find the energy in single capacitor. Now how it will be in total energy in this thing because it resembles the circuit on the left side resembles the circuit given in the numerical problem. So in 1 minute I will open the video again. Okay. So participate. Just text in the chat box, students. Text in the chat box. In 1 minute, I'm coming. 1 minute, I will open the video. I mean, I'm watching here. Okay, okay. I'm watching here only. Okay.
ಕಿಟಕಿ ಹಾಕು ಈ ಕದ ಹಾಕು ಲೈಟ್ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ ಹಾ ಜೋರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳಿ ನೋಡಕ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ ಕಂಡು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಂದಿರ್ತೀಯ ಒಳಗೆ ನಡಿ ಅವ್ನು. ನಡಿ. 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 ಹಾ. ನಡಿ. ಗುಡ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ.
So great, all the students have answered, means that's good. Which chance used to answer, all the students have answered where it usually answers. So let me see. Oh my. So Davi says that Shanta 450, Vidya 450, Naveen 175, Sojanya 450, Swagita 450. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to solve this thing. It's easy, students, very easy, so much easy. Okay. So I'm going to solve it this thing. Yeah. What happened? Okay. So we know that energy stored, energy stored is basically, who's this? Okay. Energy stored is basically equals to half CV square. Okay, sir. Capacitance is given as here as 1 microfarad. Yeah. Okay. Then potential difference 30 volt. That was the simplest question. So the energy stored will come out to be micro 10 minus 6 15 30. This is equals to 450 10 minus 6 joules. And we know through conversions that this is basically equals to 450 microjoules. Okay, students, this is equals to 450 microjoules. So all those students who got 450, I congratulate them. I appreciate them. Let me see the names. Shashikala 450, Shridevi okay, Shanta 450, Vidya 450, Naveen 175, maybe difference something. Okay, no problem, Naveen. That no issue. It's learning time, so you can make mistakes. So Jenya 450 good, Swagita 450 good. Okay, so it's over. Third part is also completed. Now just text me everyone that is it clear to you? Yes or no? Okay, text me yes or no, clear students. Is it clear? So I'm going to solve the fourth part now without any low energy. Energy must be maintained. So I'm going to solve the fourth part, students. Now Just text me yes or no. So Jania, yes, that's good. Okay, so the fourth part is about Sudarni, yes sir. Shanta, clear sir. That's Shrinji, yes sir. Okay, good, 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 good. This is the pen. Now I'm going to solve. So the fourth part says find the heat produced in the circuit. So Jania, yes, clear sir. Okay. So let me explain you how will be the heat produced in this circuit. Okay, by drawing a beautiful diagram of circuit again, clear circuit, a neat diagram of the circuit. Okay, so this is basically here like this. That is here 2 microfarad, here 3 microfarad, here 6 microfarad. Okay, here there is a battery which is given as 30 volt plus minus. Initially the circuit was this. Now what I did is I produce an equivalent circuit which is equals to this. That is C equivalent, having the C equivalent like this. Battery is the same as plus minus 30 volts. Okay, this one like this.
మమ్మీ కూడా కోసం సారీ
Okay, who's this? Swati, please mute your mic. Swati, please mute your mic. Okay, good. So this is the equivalent circuit. Okay, students. Now, how I was going to explain you that how's the heat produced in the circuit. See this. Since this is a battery, it's having a EMF. I mean potential difference for now. Understand this thing. Potential difference. So what it's doing is this battery internal due to potential difference, there is a work done by the battery to transfer the current. I mean the charge, say charge, okay? To transfer the charge Q. This is easy to understand. There will also get produced plus Q minus Q. Okay. Now it is the work done. We know that work done by battery is equals to charge into potential difference in electrostatics, in correct electricity, sorry. In current electricity, you will study this thing, but for now just remember this thing. Also, you can deduce this expression in a kind of from electrostatics, okay? But still, it's okay. Is equals to uh, correct electricity, okay? Electricity. Work done is equals to QV, okay, students? So now what I'm going to do is that this is first case that energy is being produced here as is in the form of work done, okay? Now there is also energy stored in the capacitor. We know that this is the first energy, I mean in the work form of work done, and second energy is in the form of energy stored in the capacitor, net total energy stored, which is equals to basically C equivalent V square. Okay, sir. So what happens is that there is a energy difference in both these things. That's work done, the energy produced in the work done, I mean, and the energy stored in the capacitor. There is an energy difference, and that difference in energy will contribute to result in the heat generated in the circuit, because we know that energy can't be created, can't be destroyed. So due to the conservation of energy, there will this energy difference, remaining energy will go into the heat produced in the circuit. Okay, so the heat will be like this: QV minus half C equivalent V square. Okay, students, this will be the heat produced in the circuit. This will be the basically heat produced in the circuit. Okay, so we need to find this heat. I hope you may find it, but let me solve it for you. So this heat will be like this. That is, let me solve it here. Okay, heat will be like this. That is QV, work done first. So Q is 30 microcoulomb. We've already found it. Potential difference was 30 volts of the battery. Okay, so this energy will come out to be 900 microjoules. Okay, this energy will come out to be 900 microjoules. Now for capacitor energy, energy stored that we found it out already, that is equals to 450 microjoules. Okay, so you can see that work done is greater than energy stored. There is a energy difference, so that energy difference basically will contribute to heat generated. So that will be equals to 900 microjoules minus 450 microjoules. So the answer will, sorry, so the answer will come out to be, so this is basically the answer which will come out to be 450 microjoules. Okay, students. So this is the heat raised. Swagita, your answer is right. Sojanya, your answer is right. Vidya answer is right. Shashikala answer is right. Shanta answer is right. Everyone answer is right. Great. Clapping to everyone. Okay. So that's good. Your answer is right. So I'm happy with that. So you are, so my spent energy on this particular question is beneficial to all of you. I'm happy for that. Okay. So Abhishek raised a hand. So what happened? I think for the muting he's saying. Abhishek, please mute your mic. Abhishek, please mute your mic. Okay, that's good. So this is the heat generated in the circuit. Okay. So students, just raise your hand that, or you can text me. Then no problem. That is, are all the four parts cleared of this question? Numerical number one. Deepa, raise the hand. That's good. I think all the parts are cleared for all the students. So fast, it's with the speed. I'm fastly. I'm moving to the second homework problem. So Janya, perfect. Okay, okay. So the second numerical was basically, second numerical is this. Okay, 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 students. That's good. That's good. That's great. So the second numerical is this. Shashikala, yes sir. Shanta clears. That's good, Shashikala. That's good, Shanta. Okay. So second numerical is this. That is charge. I have given you this circuit, which was basically this numerical was based on now parallel combination. Initially, it was based on that homework problem was based on series combination of capacitors. This homework problem is based on parallel combination of capacitors. Parallel combination of capacitors. Okay. Vidya already texted the answer. That sir, its answer was 60 microjoules. Okay. So students, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to solve all four problems in a continuation, in a continue flow. Okay. I'm going to not ask you in between that was the answer, what's the note. I'm going to solve this in continue flow. So at the end, I will ask that whose four, all four answers are correct. Okay. All four answers are correct. Okay. Because I already shown you the method in the previous section. This is just a difference is just in using the formula of C equivalence. Okay. That's clear to you all. So are you ready? Just text me yes or no, or send me click this, like you can send a click or like this, like, or you can just raise your hand. Are you okay with this? I'm going in a flow for all the four parts without stopping. At the end, I will going to ask what's the answer of all the four whose all four parts were clear. Shashikala said that's okay, everyone is perfect with this. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to solve it. Okay, maybe we'll ask with each part, but I will not going to explain because this will be like previous only. Okay, I will give the solutions, but I will not going to explain now in this session because I have to do ITG question. Okay, so everyone is okay with this thing. So Janya right, Vidya right. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm going to ask at the end. What about other students? What about other students? So Janya saying, what about Shri Devi? What about Sunil? What about Swati? What about Shakti May? What about other students? What about Shanta? Everyone is ready? Sudarni, Shashikala, Vidya, Sunil, Bhumika, Satish. Okay, that's good. Okay, whatever. Now I am starting now without wasting time. Ready, sir? Okay, good. So this is a circuit 1, 2, 3, 10. Okay, so I'm drawing the circuit again. The circuit, it is in parallel. All the circuits, this thing is in parallel. It's 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And this is given as 10 volts. Okay, 10 volts, 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, and 3 microfarad. Okay, sir. And 10-volt battery is given potential difference having 10 volts. Okay, sir. Okay, some student texting, that's good. Let's see. So first I'm going to find the Cequivalent of this circuit. Okay, so it will be like this. That is one capacitor only, and other than there will be just a source voltage, that is 10-volt battery. 10-volt battery. Okay. Okay. So what is the Cequivalent here? Sequent, since these all are in parallel. Okay, so Cequivalent will be like this. I told the formula for parallel in the capacitor combination. For parallel in the capacitor combination, it is like this. So you may not get confused in the R equivalent, that is resistance equivalent, that we will study in current electricity. Okay, but don't get confused. Here fresh, this is for parallel combination of capacitors. Parallel combination of capacitors like this. Okay, the Cequivalent will be like this: C1 plus C2 plus C3, direct addition. So this will come out to be 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 microfarad, Cequivalent. Okay. Now the first question was charge flowing through the battery. Since Cequivalent has come to be 6 microfarad, charge flow through be, I told you that the concept is the potential difference will be same across this capacitor also. See, having a capacitance as Cequivalent equals to 6 microfarad plus minus V equals to 10 volt. So this will come out to be Q is equals to Cequivalent into potential difference. So the Q will come out to be like this, that is Cequivalent is 6 microfarad, potential difference is 10 volt. So Q is 60 microcoulomb. So students fastly text me whose 60 microcoulomb came. Then I'm going to solve second. Whose 60 microcoulomb answer came? 60 microcoulomb, 60, 60, 60. Jyoti texted all the answers. That's great. I will match and that, but Jyoti's answer is correct first. But meanwhile, I'm just texting first answer. Okay. So, 60 microcoulomb got is the answer is that Jyoti got 60 microcoulomb, Vidya got 60, Karthik 60, Naveen 60, Sojanya 60. Okay. Swati, I think the screen is clear. Is it clear to you, screen? The screen is clear means that I'm doing it in the fast manner. No, is it clear, Swati? Some Swati saying clear, screen is not clear. Text me, Swati. Screen is clear. Swati, why? What's happening in the screen? Students, can anybody text me? Means that screen is clear. I think so because you're texting the answers also. Karthik is saying clear. Okay. Swati, maybe you can rejoin, fastly rejoin, then it will be clear. Okay, fastly rejoin, then maybe it will be clear. Okay, Naveen clear. Okay, everyone is saying clear. Jyoti is clear, Naveen clear, Sudarni clear, Deepa clear. Okay, that's good. That's good, everyone. Swati, please, you can rejoin. Okay, okay. So now the second part was this. That is, I got the first part fastly. That is 60 microcoulomb. Okay, sir. Now what about second part? Now I'm going to solve. Puja is also clear. Okay. Second part, that is the total energy stored in the capacitor. That's equals to C equivalent V square. Okay. So let us solve it. Energy total is equals to half into C equivalent V square. So C equivalent is basically 6 microfarad. Okay, sir. And potential difference across the capacitor was equals to basically the potential difference equals to upon across the battery, that is 10 volts. Okay, let me highlight this thing, highlighter, and this thing, charge. Okay, I will send the notes, no problem, of today's session before the next session. It's something I will let extra, that is of current electricity, so that it may be act as prerequisite for your next session. Whenever the next session will happen, I will start with fresh topic, current electricity. Current electricity's note I will write in advance and send to you before the next session. It will act as a prerequisite. Okay. So now the thing is this, that 6 microfarad potential difference is 10 volts. Okay, we know this, no? 10, 10 to 10, 100. So this will come out to be as 300 microjoules. Okay, so this is total energy stored. Now let us see for all those students who got this answer as energy stored, that is the B part, as 300 microjoules. 300 microjoules. So many students got this answer. Sojanya got good, great. Sojanya, Swagita, great. Vidya, great. Swagita, something like this. Okay, fourth topic. Okay, we'll see. Karthik, 300, that's good. Shanta, 300, that's good. Many other? Yeah, Sojanya, 300, that's good. Okay. Shanta, 300. Okay, okay. So now I'm going to solve. We got the, we got this answer also as, we got this answer also as 300 microjoules. Now we'll solve it's clear, it's clear, that's clear. Now this one. What's this? Potential energy in 3 microfarad capacitor. So let's look into that. What will be the potential energy in 3 microfarad capacitor? Okay. So let everyone just carefully just watch on your screen that, see, you can see these points. The potential difference across these points are basically 10 volts as of the battery. You can see plus, if I say this one is A, this one is B, this complete will be A up to this here A also. This will be complete will be B potential, B potential here also. This AB is at VA minus VB is basically at of the battery 10 volts. Okay, sir. Here also it is being touched by this wire. Okay, so here also it will be act as VA VB. Here also VAVB. So all these capacitors are having potential differences as 10 volts plus minus, because it's parallel. We know in resistance is also parallel circuit how it behaves. So plus minus 10 volts. Okay. So this potential difference across all will be plus minus 10 volts. So across 3 microfarad capacitor, the potential difference will be same, which is basically equals to plus minus 10 volts. Okay. So by using this, I'm going to find potential energy by using this formula only, that is half CV square. Okay. So let us find this thing. So let me do it here. Energy stored, basically, that will be equals to the potential energy half CV square. What is capacitors? 3 microfarad. And potential difference is equals to given as 10 volt, same of the battery. So this will come out to be 150 microjoules. So students, fastly text me all those students. I think all those all good. I have seen it. Many students in advance have done this thing. 150 microjoules. Many students have in advanced have done this thing, that is 150 microjoules. Okay. So Naveen got 150, that's great. Naveen, Shanta got 150 microjoules, and one student in advance did. Swagita got in advance 150 microjoules. And the most fastest student was who corrected, who's given all the answers as correct, was all the 4 parts in the beginning. I've seen her. I don't. He was Jyoti. Yeah, she was Jyoti who got all the answers in the beginning. It shows that she had already completed the homework. So that's great. That's really appreciable, Jyoti. Okay, that's good. Keep it up. So students, now think everything is clear to you. So was the homework clear to you, students? Just text me yes or no. Is the homework clear to you? Text me yes or no, students. Homework clear to you, students? Just text me yes or no. Okay. Okay. You can raise your hand or send link. It's easy. Don't. It's not necessary compulsion to text. Vidya hand raised hand. Okay. Be easy. Okay. Be easy in my session. Clear, sir. Clear, sir. Pooja clear. Swagita clear. Pooja clear. Priya clear. Shanta clear. Perfect, sir. Okay. Good. Good. Good, everyone. Some students were having problems related to homework, so I need to discuss it today a lot. Okay. But it's just for today's session. In the next session, I told you, with first hour session, 1 hour session with current electricity, fresh topic, and very interesting and enjoyable like comics. And 30 minutes will be 20 minutes basically. 10 minutes are for NPS. 20 to 25, 22 minutes will be basically for capacitor numericals, so that link must be maintained with the theory topics. Okay. And revision will be go on with solving the numericals. Okay. The doubts will also be considered. Okay. You must, if you're solving a 1 module, that's also is okay. But be clear about the concept. See, some books are really important. HCV is really important, I think so, personally. HCV. Some are from GC Pandey, it's okay. But HCV is good book, okay? Good standard book. Standard book it is. Everyone applies it. Okay. Now let us start with this thing that is basically a question which was asked in this was a question that was asked in IIT JEE mains. Okay, 2021 shift 2, second shift in 17th March maybe 17th. I properly don't remember the date. 1670 17th March was the date. Okay, so it's based on complete capacitors, and this topic, and it is based on parallel plate capacitor having series combination, having series combination. Okay, students, so let us read this question. I'm giving you 2 minutes to try for it, then I will solve it, because it's like a test for you, as if you're sitting in ITG exam and examination, and I'm giving you some 2 minutes to solve this question. Only 2 minutes timer is there. So it's like you, even if you're not thinking it's ITG, it's a live test for you. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay, not 2 minutes. 2 minutes is not, it's not good justice for you. Let me give you 5 minutes. Then I'm going to solve this question in 5 minutes. Okay, because it will be just at 6. I will end the timer. So your time starts now. Solve this question. Read this question. Just a one hint, that is it is like a parallel pet capacitors. Basically, two parallel pet capacitors are in series combination. This is the hint. Using this hint, you have to solve this numerical. It's more than enough. Suppose that there is one parallel pet capacitor of given d by 2, another is d by 2. Read the question, I will understand, and having series combination, solve this question. So I'm giving you 5 minutes for this. At 6:01, I will end because it's 5:56. At 6:01, I will end and will solve the question. So timer starts now. The timer starts now. So I'm watching everyone. So everyone must do this question. It's ITG question. It's like a live test to you, and you will be allotted, say, 6 marks. I'm giving you I'm giving you 5 minutes. So 1 minute each 1 mark. Okay. So in those who will answer me in between, they got the marks. I mean, the marks are allotted to you. Whatever the marks is this, plus 5. So everyone must participate at 6:01. I'm going to solve this question myself. Before, if you solve it, it's good. It's great. See, what you have to do is this only. See, what you have to do is this only. This will behave as d by 2. This will behave somewhat, I'm saying, d by 2. Two capacitors, one filled with dielectric, other filled with vacuum. And it will behave like a parallel combination. Sorry, it's a parallel capacitors behave like in a series combination. Okay, you just have to find the C equivalent, and that will be your answer. अब मैंने इतना बता दिया. I tell you a lot of things. You have to this is two capacitors, d by 2, area is same, but one is filled with dielectric, another is filled with vacuum only, air only. Both are connected as in series. Find the C equivalent, that is your answer. This much I have told you. Now 6:01 will be the deadline of this. Ending of this, your solution, I will start mine. Okay. Be relaxed and solve it. Be relaxed and solve it. If you will not try, then how will you gain the knowledge? No, that's the thing. Naveen has answered 6.4. Okay, Naveen. I will not say all the values. Vidya also answered, Naveen also answered. Let's see whose answer will be perfect. I apologize, by mistake from my mouth came Naveen's answer. I have to hide the answers. At the end, everyone must match whose answer is who. What? Okay, Naveen, solve one more time. Naveen, solve one more time. One more time, solve. Okay. Vidya's answer is given, but I'm not saying going to say the numerical value. And at the end, we will see. You have to match yourself whose answer was correct. Okay. Just you can text, but at 6:01, I will start mine. Okay, solve, students, solve. Hold on. I'm there only. Start solve. Start solving. Okay, solve it.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡು ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್.
Whose mic is unmuted? Who's Bhumika? Please mute your mic, Bhumika. Please mute your mic. Okay, students, soon I'm going to start my video. And okay, so I am going to start now. Okay, Shanta have answered, Naveen answered, Vidya answered. Okay, three students have answered. Now it's time to solve it by myself. Okay, so I'm back again to solve. So just watch carefully on your screen, students. So what's the question, by the way? Question says this, that is, there is a capacitor was initially like this, having the separation between the plates as D. Okay, sir. Area of the plates as A. Okay, sir. Just see here carefully because this will clear your query what G means question. Okay, then you will not have you will not have doubt on this means question. Okay, it will also boost your confidence because you have solved G means question, which is your ultimate target. Now solving the previous year questions is also required for as a package to crack the G. It's necessary. You will get the flow in your mind that yeah, these are the concepts which been asked in the past, which you will use as experience to sit in the exam. Okay, it was initial case. Okay, sir. So what happened is that they filled it with dielectrics up to half. Okay, so they filled this one thing up to a dielectrics up to half, say d by 2. Somewhat d by 2 is somewhat like this. Yeah, d by 2 like this. Up to dielectrics up to half, somewhat like this. Okay, dielectrics. Okay, okay. So now what happened that now it was behaving like this. That is, let me do it here. So it was filled with dielectrics up to half. Okay, and now it was behaving as okay. Now it was behaving as two capacitors, by the way. You can see it on your screen. One it is when it was filled with dielectrics up to half of the distance. Now it behaves like two capacitors. That is one is like this, having the separation between the plates d by 2. Another also having the separation between the plates d by 2. Same is the area here also here area A. But the thing is that one is filled with dielectric permittivity constant. Dielectric constant or permittivity constant equals to K. Okay, constant of medium. And another is same but having no medium in it, that is it is in air or vacuum. Air or vacuum. So this is basically the question. Okay, some are texting. Swagita has texted a new one. That's good, Swagita, you're solving in between, that's good. But if you want to, it will be better if you focus here because the time is up for solving. Okay, but I appreciate that thing, no issues. So now the thing is that they're asking basically the new sequent, that is they're asking the capacitors of the setup. Now it will be basically in another language they're asking basically the C equivalent capacitors of this complete complete setup. Okay, so now I'm going to solve it. First the thing is that it is behaving like this, that is this setup will behave like this, that is it is like this, that one parallel plate capacitor and another parallel plate capacitor are basically in a series. One parallel plate capacitor and another parallel plate capacitor means two capacitors are in series combination. Two parallel plate capacitors are in series combination. Like this, now problem can be transformed. Okay, so this problem can be transformed as such, that is where two capacitors where two capacitors are in series. Okay, and we are asked to find the C equivalent, we are asked to find the C equivalent of these two capacitors. Okay, parallel plate capacitors whose distance between, means separation between the plates is d same for both. D by 2, sorry, because half is filled no now. Initially it was d completely, but now it is like d by 2 here, filled with medium permittivity constant, dielectric constant k, and another with vacuum only d by 2. Okay, so now d by 2 is a distance of separation between the plates. Area is same, no change for both. Half of area is change plates. Okay, it behaves like this. And this one is having the medium filled in it, having the permittivity constant as k. Okay, so now the question is that find the C equivalent of the medium, or in another language as given in the numerical question, find the capacitance of new setup. Find the capacitance of new setup. Okay, so how are we going to find it? It will be like this. That is, since it is in series, the C equivalent of series circuit of capacitors is given as 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. Okay, sir. So what is C1 for this capacitor? This is parallel plate capacitor having dielectric as K. We know that for parallel plate capacitor, the capacitance is equals to E naught A by D. Okay, sir. But here permittivity is also, it is filled with a medium of dielectric constant K. So K will be introduced in it. So we will write K also in the beginning multiplied with this numerator. Okay. So this is basically equals to C1 is basically equals to K epsilon naught A by D. Okay, sir. So what is this about this second capacitor C2? Its capacitance will be equals to simple, because it is, see here you have to write D by 2 also. Distance is D by 2, not D now. Okay, so D by 2 at the bottom. And for the second capacitor, its capacitance will be equals to basically A. Here it is not A by 2, here it A only. Okay, it will be basically equals to E naught A by D. We know it for parallel plate capacitor having separation of distance between the plates as D. But here the separation of distance is basically D by 2. And area is same as A because it's not changed in the question. Okay, by mistake I've written here, it's not changed in the question. So the question says area of the plate is not changed, but the distance of the capacitor is changed d by 2, and one is filled with vacuum. The one which is filled with vacuum capacitance is this, but one which is not filled with vacuum capacitance is same. Just the distance is changed at the bottom for both c by 2 and d by 2. Okay. So this I am going to say first equation, second equation, and this is third equation. So now I'm going to substitute first and second and first in third equation. Okay. So I'm going to write for you students again this thing. C1 was for capacitance having dielectric medium in it. Key K E naught A, area say distance is changed D by 2, separation is reduced. Okay. C2, area is same. It's in air and vacuum, so no K. So it will, separation is reduced D by 2. Okay. So equivalent will be 1 upon C1, this one. K epsilon naught A upon D by 2, it will go into the numerator, it will act as D into half. Same for other, it will act as D E naught A, no K. Okay. So when we will solve it, this will be D E naught A half 1 upon K plus 1, 1 upon C equivalent. So this will come out to be, C equivalent will come out to be equals to, this will come out to be say K plus 1. So it will be K plus, sorry, it will be equals to, let me solve it properly, students. Let me solve it properly. So this will be like this, that is C 1 upon C equivalent. When you will solve it, it will come out to be K plus 1 upon K, and then C equivalent will be equals to 2 epsilon naught AK. Okay, so equivalent will be equals to 2 epsilon naught AK upon dk plus 1. Okay, dk plus 1. Dk plus 1 equals to C equivalent. So this is the ultimate derivation of C equivalent, or capacitance of setup, which is asked in the question. Now just we need to put numerical value here. Okay, just we need to put numerical value here, students, and we'll get the answer. Okay, so what's the area given? Area is given as 2 meters square, and K is given as 3.2, I think 3.1, 3.2. Okay, that's good. And distance is given as basically distance is given as distance is given as 1 meter. Okay, and k is again 3.2. So I'm going to put the values. I'm going to solve this thing, and the answer will come out to be. We have to find the answer in the terms of epsilon naught. So I will put epsilon naught as it is, as in the symbol only, e naught. Not, I will not put the value, that is 8.85 into 10 minus 12. So this will come out to be 2 into 2 into 3.2. Remain epsilon naught as it is, okay? Because the answer has been asked in the form of epsilon naught, okay? Epsilon naught, okay? Epsilon naught, okay? So it's said as epsilon naught, not epsilon naught. So this will be like this, and at the end it will be 1, d is 1 into k plus 1, 3.2 plus 1, 4.2, okay? So this I will solve, it will come out to be 2.1, point cancel. So ultimately the answer will come 32 upon 21. This when I'll solve it, okay, with my, see, in the exams it's better if you're not confident in solving the mathematical, I mean, if you're not comfortable in solving this simplification as a mathematical approach, then it's better use the calculator given in the online exams, okay, the digital calculator, I mean that online calculator, okay, virtual. So you use that. I'm using it fast because I want, because when you will use virtual, you're 100% sure that after you come out of the examination hall, you're sold that, yeah, I use a virtual calculator can't be wrong. The thing is that you must carefully put the values in the calculator, okay, while with the mouse, okay. So if you're careful for that, you're confident for putting the values, then it's okay. Otherwise, if you, sometimes we get confused in our mind, yeah, I have solved myself, I don't know the answer will be perfect or not. So with the calculator you will be fine, your answer is perfect, so there will be no tension after the exam, okay. Before the exam, don't need to take tension, solve the exam with confidence, but after the exam we also must be relaxed, no, so you'll be relaxed afterwards also, okay. So 2 point into 32 upon 21. So answer will come out to be 3.04. So its answer was coming as, say, 3.04 epsilon. So this is the answer. Now just see back to the numerical question. They are saying find the capacitance, which I told you basically C equivalent will be in the format they are asking epsilon. So our answer is basically in the form of 3.04 epsilon naught. So this will be basically equals to 3.04. But hold on, students, they're saying something more. You have to round off the answer to the nearest integer. Round off the answer to the nearest integer. So 3.04 ka nearest integer what will be? It will be basically equals to 3 only. So this is our answer. We will just click, or we will type or click on the 3 integer, okay, and this will be your answer, and your answer will be correct, and you will get the marks, and you'll be enjoying, okay. So this was a numerical to be solved in the class. I recommended it because it's, JE question. It really increases your confidence that we are solving the JE questions in the session, and we are preparing for JE, okay. So maybe I'll solve the NEET also with time, but JE enhances your level. So if you are good at JE, you will solve the NEET also. But still, it's not that you will good at JE solve the NEET, but it's good. Means numerical purpose is good, but for JE NEET also I will include the questions. Some students maybe are for NEET they are sitting, okay. So I'll solve the NEET also, no issues. Is it okay, students? Just text me yes or no. Is it clear to you, all the students? Shanta 3. Okay, Shanta got the 3 answer. That's good. Shanta, I congratulate you. Vidya cleared. Vedas cleared. That's great. So all students are here for NEET or means or JE or mix up means. I think the major was the ratio JE or NEET. Anyone can text me. I can just find the ratio with some analysis only. Maybe JE or NEET. JE or NEET students. Okay. NEET. Okay. NEET. Everyone NEET. Vidya NEET. Sojanya. But still, the question was good. JE question it was, so it will increase your confidence. Next time, I'm surely going to bring the NEET. NEET also. Okay. Mix up. I think everyone is NEET. Okay, it's a NEET batch. No, I'm extremely sorry. Okay. But I solved for JE, but it's okay. That's not an issue. But the question was good, isn't it? The question was good. Just raise your hand or text the like. The question was good. No, it was a good level. You did the JEE, 100% going to solve the NEET questions. The level is equal only kind of, but still the you know the difficulty. This is JEE mains, no, so it will be equivalent. Advanced is different thing. JEE advanced is different. For the NEET, it is equals to JEE mains. Okay. So Naveen is saying yes, sir. Everyone is fine. Shishikala, Sudharni, everyone is okay. Okay. So I think that was okay for all the students. Now I'm going to launch. What do we say that NPS? But before ending the session, I will dictate something about current electricity. Okay, Karthik and Shanta, that's good. So I'm going to launch NPS now. Okay, we will see that after the NPS, for those students who want to be in the session, I'm going to dictate something about current electricity. Otherwise, I will send you the notes. Okay, it depends on you, but I recommend all students must be there if you are comfortable. Okay, I think you must be there because in the next session I'm going to start current electricity, so there must be some prerequisite. So it will be easy for you to understand the things because I need to cover in the next week. I mean this week, complete this thing that is current electricity. I need to complete all the things that is current electricity. Okay, complete points of current electricity. So the theory, it will be like many of the things will be covered in this week. I need to cover only the three classes I am left with. In that first 1 hour complete correct electricity, and then 20 minutes capacitor for your link. Okay, capacitor for your link. So that's great, students. Please participate and be easy. Okay, don't fear in talking the class. You can talk the class, you can just text me. Okay, it's okay. Here I'm for solving your doubts only. Okay, no issues. Because I especially some students were texting that's a homework problem must be discussed more. So that's why let's just in today's session only in more homework problem. Next time I'm going to give you a prerequisite. Now only I'll give in the theory also before coming to the Wednesday session. Okay. So Shanta, it's okay. Everything is okay with you. Okay, all the students. So I mean Sojanya, Shridevi, Sunil, Swati, everything is okay. Shakti mein, Shanta, Shashikala, Vidya, Sunil, Bhumika, Shweta, okay, Pooja, Biswajit, okay. So I think everything is okay. I think that everything is okay. So all must participate so that I may get to know. Okay, some only five students are remaining. Please participate, students. You just have to click it. Okay, it will be for you good only. I want to help you. I want to help you, students. So it's that for that only. It's for that only, students. Okay. So before going, I am just going to say you that in the next session which we are going to study is that current electricity. We'll start with say conductors and somewhat definitions, theory articles or theory points of conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. You know that in conductors it is basically like conductor is a surface. Okay, it's on the surface. There are free electrons present because you know that the free electrons are loosely bound to the nucleus of their atoms. If something is loosely bound to the nucleus of the atom, it will not feel the as attraction effect as the inside electronic shells are being feeling. They are feeling. Okay, so that they will behave as a free electrons. So when the electric field is applied on such free electrons, what's going to happen is that there will be a these electrons will gain speed and they will start flowing throughout the material of the conductor. So they will start conducting. So that was a conductor. Some theory was this. An insulator will. I will start with the animation and all the stuff in the next session with the formulas, derivations, integrations, all those many things are included. Means finding. See, suppose you are given current that is dq by dt. Suppose you are given as current that is dq by dt, and you have to find say, and you have to find means that current is given as in the variable say q square q cube qt. So you have to find current and you have to find the charges also. You can integrate, you can differentiate. So all the things are there. So that was the thing. I'm ending the poll now. Okay, I've ended the poll. Thank you very much for all the students to participate in the poll. Thank you so much. Okay, I really appreciate this thing. So what I was saying is, students, the end thing which I was saying is this, that is I am saying this, that is this one. Suppose that you're given as this. Can anybody solve this thing? Q square 3t square. It's easy, no? Q square plus 2t. Okay, just find the current. This is T cube. Find the current as say T equals to 1 second. Can anybody solve it? You know it, I think so. Students, you know this thing. Can anybody find the current? Can anybody find the current, students? At T equals to 1 second, can you text me the answer? If Q is given as, no, it's a new chapter. I just want to ask you. I will start in the next session with a complete fresh theory and all, but still, for those students, let me think that those who remember the things, it's in the lower class also. Not in the lower class, but yeah, in the NCRT, you may have studied in the 12th class NCRT, if you are studying NCRT or your board. Okay, so it must be there. It's an easy formula. Everyone, in capacitor also I've used it. Vidya said the answer, Swagita said the answer. So let's see. Naveen also said the answer. Great. Okay, Swati said the answer and Naveen said the answer. Vidya said the answer. Okay, the fastly I'm going to do it, but in a slow manner. My starting will be fast, but I will solve the solution in perfect manner. Okay, since we know that current is equals to rate of flow of charge. Okay, sir, who answered next? Jyoti answered, Shashikala answered. That's great. So it's just for your. I may get to know that how much you know in advance. How much of the students, the number of students who know in advance. Okay, the ratio. So it's no problem. I am going to teach it from the zero only, 0 to 100%. Okay, whatever the things we need to cover according to the syllabus. This is neat batch, so I will keep in mind all your syllabus. Okay, so dq this is included in the syllabus. No need to worry. So dq by dt. So I need to differentiate this charge equation with respect to time. So 3t cube का differentiation with respect to time will be 3 into 3t square. T square का differentiation will be 2t. 2t का differentiation will be plus 2. Now I'm going to put, it was asked in time 1 second, so I'm now going to put the time values as 1 second. So it will be 3 into 3, 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 2. So this will come out to be 3 3 ka 9, 2 plus 2. So this will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So this will come out to be 13 ampere. Current unit is coulomb per second. No. So it is equals to ampere. 13 ampere is the current. So let me see that who are the students. Time equals to 1 second. Time equals to 1 second. Whose answer came out to be this? Let me see it. So Jyoti's answer is perfect. So Jinni answer is perfect. Swagita answer is perfect. So I congratulate all the students. Maybe some students have done some mistakes. No need to worry. Okay. I'm sorry. So this is the thing. Shashikala answer is perfect 13. Okay. So I congratulate all the students, but for all the students who haven't got the answer, no need to worry. This was just for a checkup so that I may get to know how much you know in advance. Okay. So no need to worry, students. And this was the thing. Next thing I told you that first we will start with first we will start with conductors, a cool topic, somewhat theory, free electron. The fast points are this: free electrons are present, electric field is applied, conduction starts, and these are the points. And somewhat in this we will say drift velocity, talk about drift velocity, and some mathematical equations we are going to see and solve some easy problems on that. Okay. And just for insulator is nothing, just a theory that it is poor conductor of electricity. Okay. Somewhat we will talk about semiconductor. We will say at temperature, say low temperature behaves like insulator, at high temperature like somewhat like conductor, that is having say in between conduction, in between property, shows the properties resemblance to in between say insulator and conductor. Depends upon function of temperature. Depends upon temperature. Okay. So these are the basic things which we'll study. This is just a flow, mind map kind of, okay, but not a particular mind map, but still somewhat to get to know that what you're going to study in the next session. So that will be really interesting session, okay. So I think that you today's session, the main thing is that whatever the session you are going to attend, mind session, you must be happy at the end of the session. Happy, how the happiness will come when you will able to understand the things. If I'm doing it, so many things I'm doing it, but you are not able to understand even one thing only, then what's the use? It's good now if I do some good things and you're able to understand all the things, okay. But still you have to be fast and me also. So from the next session, 1 hour current electricity, so many things need to cover, but perfectly with quality and quantity. And 20 to 15 minutes say for this capacitor numericals, so that link must be maintained. So everything will be like recycling, refreshment, and new topics plus gain and plus refreshment, okay. So like this you will attain your goal. But you have to work hard, you have to solve yourself also. See, mine will not work if I am giving you numericals, I'm solving it. If I'm from next session you will see I will increase my quantity, but quality must be maintained, okay. So I will see that also. 15-20 minutes numericals and first 1 hour current electricity. But mine efforts will still not work. You have to put your efforts, you have to take your notes, you have to take your copy. Notes are this, okay. You have to take Avanti module, okay, it's perfect. If you're not comfortable with solving first Avanti module, you can take HCV. If you'll solve HCV, we'll get a lot of confidence. See your HCV PDF, read the theory notes, read that exercise, read that theory also given in the HCV. That's good theory. Solve the example given in particular topics of theory. After the particular topic, say capacitors, the capacitors numerical is given as an example. After solving example, solve the rest of the examples given exercises. Then you can also solve some MSQs, MCQs, and then solve the exercises question also. Solutions are easily available. If you're not able to understand, first try 2 times, 3 times, 5 times, then come to me. If you're coming in first 2 times only, it is okay, I will solve it, but it will not increase your level. I'm telling you, it will not increase your level. Like this, you know that exams are, if one who does so many practice, his or her exam will get clear only, okay. So that's the methodology to study for NEET, because it's a beautiful NEET match. It's a NEET match, okay.
ఆ మొబైల్
So
చల్లండి.
please, Swagita, please mute your mic. Okay, students, so I'm going to end the session. So thank you everyone for participating in the session. Your participation is really wonderful. Okay, this batch is really good. The batch is good. Students are good. So you will really get into the good colleges. Okay, never lose hope. Whenever you will find that, okay, sir, we are not able to solve the numericals. Never lose hope. Even in the chemistry and mathematics also, never lose hope. Try and try and try. If you're trying, you will have the hope. Even if you leave the try also, where you will reach? No one's. If I'm doing something, I will reach somewhere. No, if I'm not doing, the car is still on the point only. Then where I will reach? So just keep on trying, keep on trying, keep on trying. You will get the best results. Other than that, you're sitting in the room and not try. So ultimately, after 1 year, or say if you take a drop also, someone taking drop also, I don't think so, nobody likes to take drop. Now drop is not a solution, but still if you take a drop, then also you have to make the efforts, no. So make it now only, okay. So make it now only. So let me see, someone is texting. Thank you, sir. Yeah, okay, good day, have good day, Vidya, good day, Sojata, okay, bye. Thank you to everyone, okay. No problem, it's welcome. You are always welcome to the session. So come in the next session with full of energy, okay. Capacitor I'm going to teach you. Okay, Swati, thank you, sir. Okay, Swati, bye. So, Janya, thank you, bye. Okay, bye.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Okay, bye. Yeah, who's the person who, said in the session? Bye. Bye to him also or her also. Okay. So, bye to everyone. Shridevi, bye. Jyoti, bye. Sudarni, bye. Mamta, bye. Everyone, bye. Shanta, bye. Who, sir? Who was she? Shashikala. Yeah, Shashikala, bye. Okay. I thought, yeah. I'm sorry. Shashikala, bye. Okay. So, that was the session. It's completed now. Sunil, bye. Who's all the students left in the session? Let me stop sharing the screen.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. బాయ్ సార్.
Okay. Yeah.